Making your first $1,000 online is not about luck. It is not about having a special skill or a big following or even a lot of time. It is about knowing exactly which steps to take and in what order. In this video, I'm going to show you a clear, practical roadmap to making your first $1,000 online, starting from absolute zero. Stay with me because the strategy I share at the end of this video is the one most people sleep on, and it is honestly the fastest path to that first 1,000. Before we talk about any method, I need to address the number one reason most people never make their first dollar online. They are looking for the perfect opportunity instead of just starting. Here is the truth. Your first $1,000 online will probably not come from one single source. It will come from stacking small wins. $20 here, $50 there, a $100 project. Before you know it, you have crossed 1,000. Stop waiting for the perfect moment and start treating this like a real goal with a real deadline. Set yourself a deadline right now, 90 days. Your goal is $1,000 in 90 days. That is just $11 a day. Broken down like that, it suddenly feels very achievable. This is the fastest path to your first online dollar, period. Fiverr is a platform where you sell services starting at $5. And before you say, I have no skills, everyone has something they can offer. Writing, data entry, making simple graphics, translating, voiceovers, social media posts, researching information, converting files. These are all sellable services on Fiverr right now. Here is the exact approach. Go to Fiverr and search for any service you think you could do. Filter by best selling. Look at what the top sellers are offering. Now create your own gig offering the same service, but price it slightly lower to get your first few reviews. Once you have 5 reviews, you raise your price. 10 reviews and you are earning consistently. A beginner on Fiverr doing basic services can realistically earn $200 to $400 in their first month. That alone gets you almost halfway to your $1,000 goal. This step is overlooked completely, but it is powerful for hitting that first milestone fast. Look around your home right now. Old electronics, clothes you do not wear, books, gadgets, furniture. Things collecting dust in your house are cash sitting idle. List them on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or local selling apps. Take good photos in natural light. Write clear descriptions. Price slightly below market rate to sell fast. Most people who do this seriously for 2 weekends make $100 to $300 without any new skills whatsoever. Stack this with your Fiverr income and you are already at $500 or more. Most people think affiliate marketing requires a big following. It does not. Here is a method that works with 0 followers and 0 website. Go to Amazon Associates and sign up for free. Pick a product in a niche you know something about: tech, fitness, home, finance. Now go to relevant Facebook groups, Reddit communities, or forums where people ask questions about that product. Answer their questions genuinely and helpfully. At the end of your answer, mention that you found a great option and drop your affiliate link naturally. Do this consistently for 30 days across 10 to 15 posts per week, and you will start seeing commission notifications. Each sale earns you between 3 and 10% commission. Stack enough of these and you are adding $100 to $200 a month with 0 upfront cost. This is the step that nobody was talking about 2 years ago, but is now one of the fastest growing income streams online. Businesses everywhere need content: blog posts, social media captions, email newsletters, product descriptions, video scripts. Most business owners have no time to write this content themselves. You can offer this as a service using AI tools to help you produce high-quality content quickly. Here's how. Create a Fiverr gig offering blog post writing, social media content packages, or email newsletter writing. Use Claude or ChatGPT to help you produce the content efficiently. Charge $50 to $150 per piece. Even landing 5 clients a month at $50 each adds $250 to your income. Combined with your other income streams, you are now very close to that $1,000 target. I know what you are thinking. YouTube takes months to monetize. And you are right about the ad revenue. But here is what most beginners miss. YouTube drives traffic to everything else you are doing. A simple video about how you made money on Fiverr drives people to your Fiverr profile. A video about affiliate marketing drives people to your affiliate links. A video about digital products drives people to your Etsy store. You do not need to wait for monetization. YouTube works as a traffic engine from day one. And the more content you post, the more that traffic compounds over time, until eventually the ad revenue itself becomes a significant income stream on top of everything else. Here is your 90-day roadmap to your first $1,000 online. Week 1 and 2, set up your Fiverr profile and publish 3 gigs. List anything you own that you can sell. Sign up for Amazon Associates. Week 3 and 4, start actively promoting your affiliate links in relevant communities. Deliver your first Fiverr orders and collect your first reviews. Month 2, add AI content services to your Fiverr offerings. Start a simple YouTube channel documenting your journey. Keep pushing affiliate marketing daily. Month 3, by now your Fiverr reviews are building, your affiliate commissions are trickling in, and your YouTube channel is gaining its first subscribers. Stack all of these together and your first $1,000 is not just possible, it is almost inevitable. The one thing I want you to take away from this video is this. Your first $1,000 online is not one big win. It is 10 small wins stacked on top of each other. Start today. Start messy. Start small, but just start. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to Smart Money Insights for a practical money strategy every single week. Comment below and tell me which of these steps you are starting with today. I read every single comment and I will see you in the next one.